admins. Thanks for joining me in Project Templates. This is where you build reusable project templates so your team doesn't have to create, the same milestones and tasks from scratch every time. Let's head to Settings in the lower left, up to Projects, and Project Templates. I have a few templates that I have created earlier, and these are my custom templates. Down here, you'll see the system project templates already loaded. We'll click here. You'll see there's one for technology, construction, manufacturing, and so on. Now, these can't be edited directly. However, you can use them as a starting point to create your own templates. So let's use construction as an example. If you click on this little eyeball, you can see and kind of preview what's inside. You can see the milestones, you can see the different tasks. Again, you can't edit, but check out the milestones and tasks, and do they align with your current flow? Perhaps with a few edits, you could use these as a starting point. If so, go ahead and click this button here. It'll duplicate. You'll see construction copy. You can rename. You'll see in the details, you'll see the milestones here, and you can edit these milestones. Change the days, change the task name, and so on. Be sure to click Update Milestone, and then you'll save your template. Back to Project Templates, you'll see these little toggles. These are the toggles here as well. These are turned on. It's going to show the templates in the list. So if I go up here to add in a project, I can see these templates, and it's going to show me the templates that I have decided I want to be shown in this list. So for the ones that maybe you don't choose, if you're not in the technology SaaS industry, you can click here, and now that won't show up in that list. If none of these templates align with your flow, go ahead and go to Custom Templates and click New Template. Now you can start from scratch. Give your title a name, and then we can work through the details section. You can assign an owner to the project. You can add a description of the project if you would like. You can set the end date, so enter a number, choose either days, weeks, or months. So if your typical project runs 30 days, you would enter in 30 days. Add collaborators. So if you've got people that you want to also show up and be collaborators in your project, you can add that here. And then you can click yes if you would like, or to add the deal owner as a collaborator automatically. You can pick and choose all or choose just a few or none at all. And you can set to this to toggled yes if you want this template to apply automatically whenever a deal is won. So if you only have one project template and you want it to apply to every single deal that is won, you can click that here. Now let's move to the milestone section. We're going to click Add Milestone. We're going to give it a title. We'll call it Milestone Title. Enter the due date using the same number and unit format. Let's do 30 days. Not started by default. These milestone statuses are editable, and that will be in another video. And then you can start adding tasks. If you're familiar with our to-do templates in the activities section, this is a lot like that, where you can say, hey, on day 0, visit site. You can give it a type, you can set a priority, and you can assign a specific owner. Then you can add another task. Maybe on day 7, there's a different task. It's a follow-up. Give it a type, priority if you'd like, and maybe that's a different owner. And you can keep creating tasks as it fits your flow. And then go ahead and create milestone. And you've got that here. Once you save that template and make it available in that template list, your team will see it as an option when creating a new project. Keep in mind, templates can only be applied when a project is first created. They cannot be added to an existing project after the fact. Thanks.